Hey everyone, it's Roy. If you still do not know how to upload a product, so keep watching, because this video will guide you through how to add a product to your WordPress admin. So let's dive into the admin section. There is a menu left-hand side of your screen. Under Products tab, click on Add New. Then key in product name, for example, jeans, and key in description. Describe your product in detail to inform and pursue potential customer. For example, skinny and ripped jeans. Scroll down and select your product data type. For this demonstration, we will use variable product, and then you need to add a price on the price note on this part. For example, $200, and this is what customers pay at checkout. And under inventory, key in SKU or a product number. This is optional. And if you just hold on this question mark icon here, you will see the guide. And manage stock, click on that. Enter stock quantity, for example, 20. Here is ask allow back orders, and there are 3 options. Do not allow, allow but notify customer, and allow. But we will keep on do not allow. Sold individually, yes please. And shipping. Under shipping, key in product weight, for example 50, and key in dimensions, but this is also optional. Under attributes, click on add. Key in attribute name and values, for example size, and values are separated by pack simple, small, medium, and large. Then choose whether you want it to be visible on a product page or use for variations. Then click on Save Attributes. Scroll down and put a short product description, whatever you want to. Scroll up and choose product categories, and you can use from existing categories or you can create a new one. For example, jeans and women. Scroll down. If your product has several images, you can use Add Product Gallery Image. You can use from existing media files that they are already uploaded, or you can upload new one. Upload files, select files, and you can choose from your computer. Then click on Add to Gallery, and if you want another one, do it again. But for the primary picture of your product, use Set Product Image. Again, you can use from existing media files that they are already uploaded, or you can upload new one. Here we go. And then click Set Product Image. Scroll up and click on Publish. Now you're done. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, Please subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends.